Hey, what's going on? We are at Drifters of December, and today is the big reveal for my stage wheel, signature wheel. It's red, it's a Monroe, and if you want to buy one, you can get one in 18 by 9, 18 by 9.5, or 17 by 9 in 5 by 100. The only 5 by 114.3 that we have is the 18 by 9. So that's what is on my S14 now, and really excited to debut this collaboration with Bill at Stage. If you want a Monroe that's red, it's one of mine. So you can find the wheels at natechenracing.com as well as stagewheelsna.com, and that will link you to my my website. They'll have center caps with my NCR logo on them that are getting designed and will be shipped out with these wheels in a few weeks, but today is the first day of running them, so again, really excited to have that happen. Thank you so much, Bill, and now we're gonna go drive. So see you in a few. I got my dad to take me here actually in 2007 for Formula D.
Shit, okay.
And back then, like, pro drifting, it didn't look too different than like here, like what it is today, or like just an event like this. So at age 13, I was like, hey, maybe you can actually like do this. Like, I didn't come from, you know, a NASCAR family or Formula One family. Yeah. So I was like, maybe like if I work hard, I might actually be able to make it to FD, and that's like what happened. So
that's actually really dope. I'm actually happy for you. That's dope. Like, that's really cool.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem. Greatest moment of my life! Oh my God! Bro, thank you! Thank you!
Yeah, man.
Oh my God. Alright, how do I get out of here? Oh!
Wait, hold on, Mike. Hold on, do that again.
What?
Turn around, put your hands up.
Woo!
Sorry.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
How was it?
That was amazing. That was freaking sick, bro.
for Drifters of December for 2021. Had a blast. 2 days here. I got to drive all 3 tracks: Jefferson Extension, Summit Main, Carousel at Shenandoah. This place is really good. I mean, this is kind of where I first started, and it's awesome to come back and drive these fantastic road courses. Got to drive with Dmitriy, Brutskiy, and several other great people like my friend Charlie. Debuted my signature stage wheel, which is a red Monroe in 18s and 17s, or 17 and 18 inch rims, that will be available on my website as well as the stage website in the next few days. And unfortunately, we actually ended our day a little bit early because this piece down there, I don't know if you can see it, maybe you can see it now. So that piece right there came off, and it's a common problem in S chassis. So that separated, which made the radiator move around and then ram into my power steering cooler bracket thing and poked a hole in the radiator. And yeah, that was that. So end of the day, end of the season, finally. I guess that's probably the end of my season, so doesn't really matter. I mean, we're gonna probably get this thing fixed and hopefully freshened up and then right back out as soon as events start up, probably in January, February, or something like that. So those first few are always tough when it's super cold outside and I'm freezing, but you know, hey, this is what I love to do, and even if it's really cold, I'll still go out and do it. And yeah, so anyway, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Go buy some wheels. Those things look super nice, and yeah, so pumped. So anyway, it's been a great season, and I'll see you next time.